Church. Salamu ya mwisho.
Yesu Kristo uliwanjise mbili jafe kali ya kukuba yoke twana uligo gwekubwa gamanyi agakorwe gali agari mwigisa
a brother, a frontliner, a safeguard to this nation, a trainer, a teacher, a patriot, none that I had seen before, especially that he was close to me. When we were growing up, we used to fear the army uniform until I got General Gonyi and General Wolimbwa. I used to run away from the army uniform. to the Commander-in-Chief, we as the people of Bugisu and Sironko in particular are first of all very grateful that we got that opportunity for our own to be identified as such. I know the UPDF is a very disciplined force, very learned. You are thick in everything you do. We celebrate you, UPDF. But that we also got a chance to have one of ours there. We want to appreciate you. I know there will be a message brought to you, our President, the Commander-in-Chief, the CDF, for entrusting Wolimbwa with all the responsibility that he has been undertaking. We appreciate. I know we cannot ring fence this position, otherwise we would pray that it is ring fenced and it comes back. Lastly, as a woman MP for Sironko District, and by the grace, higher grace, Minister of State for Karamoja, permit me to appreciate. There are people called the Engineering Brigade. Engineering Brigade the Engineering Brigade came and found a shell. Today we all came and found a house, habitable, closed, plastered, compound worked on. But the UPDF representative, sir, the Engineering Brigade did such a tremendous job, and we are so grateful. You have left us admiring to join UPDF. Unfortunately, I'm this age, otherwise I would join. Mwaseka. I would have joined because I have seen the discipline, I have seen the resilience. I saw those people work in mud, and they made sure they put things right. We are going to walk on a good ground. We are going to look at a good home, because they worked a lot. I want to salute you, all officers. Of course, the big ones, yes, it is obvious, but especially the lower officers. I want to salute you. They have worked day and night. I don't think they have slept. I don't think some of them even ate. I know that's your discipline, but it is a responsibility for me to appreciate.
The UPDF family extends its sympathy and condolences to the departed comrade's family, relatives, and friends. Brigadier General Bone Geoffrey Wolimbwa diligently served his country and UPDF as an institution in various capacities in command and staff duties, as a trainer in different military training schools. He has been a general whom from time to time has been promoting military professionalism, which is practically evidenced in the courses he had successfully accomplished. The departed general has been a mentor and trainer, hence being instrumental in restoration of peace and security in his country. The UPDF is saddened by the loss of such a senior and professional cadre whose input was still much needed. His military history. Brigadier General Bone Geoffrey Wolimbwa joined the Defense Forces on the 20th November 1995 as a cadet and served in various capacities. He rose through ranks and appointments up to the current rank of Brigadier General, the rank at which he has passed on.
I stand before you today with a heart
laden, yet also with deep gratitude. We gather here not only to mourn, but to honor the life of the great man, my beloved husband, the late Brigadier General Bonne Geoffrey Wolimbwa. Allow me, at the onset, on behalf of my family, to extend our most sincere appreciation to His Excellency, the President of Uganda and Commander-in-Chief, for his invaluable guidance, comforting words, and unwavering support given to my husband throughout his dedicated service to our nation. Recognition of his sacrifice and service of His Excellency bring us solace in this painful moment of loss. I also wish to acknowledge UPDF leadership, especially the CDF, the CJS, the Human Resource and Service Chief of Staff, and the entire family for standing by Brigadier General Bonny, both in life and now in his passing. Special thanks to Tradoc's family of instructors, where my husband spent most of his service time, Brigadier General Keita, Kawaweta Training School, Peace School of Singo, Kabamba Training School, College of Logistics, Engineering, and Core in Jinja. I cannot forget Cadets Intake 37 Long of Munduli, Tanzania, who have been my family. The National Defense College Intake 1, you have been with us and supported us so much. I thank you. I also thank all soldiers and cadets who trained from Kawaweta, NCOs from Gaddafi, Cadet Intake 17 from Kabamba, who kept on checking on us in hospital. UPDF fraternity, you have shown us what it means to be brothers and sisters in arms, united by duty, courage, honor. My husband lived with pride in his uniform, believing deeply in defending his country and its people. To see him remembered by all of you today is a testament to the values he lived for. To the young officers and soldiers looking up to him as a mentor, know that his legacy lives on in your commitment, your discipline, and your courage. In a special way too, I extend my gratitude to the UPDF medical team of Bombo and all health workers in Victoria Hospital who worked tirelessly to save my husband's life. To my children, I say to you, your father was not only my husband, but a father of honor, discipline, and love. He cherished you deeply, even when duty took him far from home. Let his life be your guiding light. Stand proud as children of a man who gave his all for his country, for his family. Today, we lay to rest a soldier, a leader, a husband, and a father. Though the uniform he wore will no longer march into battle, his spirit will continue to inspire us. His voice will echo in our hearts, and his legacy will endure in the army he so faithfully served. May the Almighty grant him eternal rest, and may we all find the strength in knowing that his life was not lived in vain. Thank you all, you people of God here present. Fare thee well, my friend, my confidant, my anchor, my love. Thank you so much for the day.
I stand before you today not only as a grieving daughter, but also as a proud representative of the children of our beloved father, the late Brigadier General Geoffrey Boni Wolimbwa. On behalf of my brothers and sisters, I would like to begin by expressing our deepest gratitude to everyone here today. Thank you for your comfort and your recognition of our father's sacrifice and service to this nation. Your presence here assures us that our father's life and duty meant something far greater than ourselves. It was for his country and his people. We also sincerely thank the Army leadership and the entire military family. You are not only his colleagues, but also his family. Baba, words can never truly capture what you meant to me and to all of us. You were our protector, our encourager, and greatest example of strength and love. You gave so much of yourself to our family and to everyone around you. And we will forever be grateful for the lessons you taught us, lessons of kindness, resilience, humility, and faith. You are not only my father, but also a friend. You laughed with us, guided us, and even in your silence, we felt your care. Your presence always gave us comfort. Your wisdom shaped who we are today. My father's love for his family and community was unmatched. He touched very many lives through his kindness, his generosity, and his humility. He taught me the true meaning of hard work, respect, and faith. Baba, we will always miss your voice, your laughter, your advice, and your love. But I take comfort in knowing that a part of you will always live on in me and in everyone whose life you touched. You are and will always remain my hero. Though we grieve in his absence, we also rejoice in his legacy. The lives behind, one of love, unity, and faith. Baba, your memory will forever remain alive in our hearts. And to my siblings, I cannot promise them that I'll be their father, but I'll be the elder sister that I'm supposed to be. And I believe that our dad is in a better place, and he will forever be our angel to open for us that door. Thank you. May his soul rest in power.
I'm Brigadier General David Gonyi, the Chief of Staff, UPDF Air Forces. I'm here to speak on behalf of the friends. So all the friends of Boni, please accept that I either represent you or misrepresent you, but just allow. To start with, let me give a summary. I want to give a summary of how I understood General Boni Wolimbwa. And this description is: Wolimbwa was a life dedicated to service, a heart committed to mentorship, and a spirit that shaped generations. That is what Brigadier General Wolimbwa was in summary. His legacy reminds us that true greatness lies not only in the rank, but in the values we leave behind. We gather today with heavy hearts to honor and celebrate the life of Brigadier General Boni Wolimbwa, a man whose dedication, discipline, and mentorship has left an indelible mark on the Uganda People's Defense Forces. I am lucky to have had the privilege of knowing him for 30 years. Boni Wolimbwa was not only a highly respected military general, but also a seasoned trainer and who devoted his life to shaping generations of soldiers, including those in the Air Forces where I serve today. From this district of Sironko, Boni was delivered to this our great nation. And on the 21st of August 2025, he departed us while at Victoria Hospital in Kampala. And his passing is of profound loss, but his legacy will endure for generations.